Hello guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be teaching you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. The first thing you need to know is the colors, okay? So, blue, the opposite of blue, well this is how I remember it, they're the closest colors. So the opposite of blue is green, of course. Opposite of white is yellow. And the opposite of orange is red. Okay? Now, that's all you really need to know. You don't need to know anything. You don't need to know algorithms in this method, how to use it. There's no algorithms. You don't need to learn anything. The only thing you need to learn is how to solve the first side. Well, you have to learn how to solve the top layer in one side. That's all. Which I'll be teaching in another video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is scramble it up. Okay. Now I think it's all scrambled. You need to solve one side. Okay. Boom, top layer solved. Okay. So you got the top layer solved, so that means you have one side solved, then 2, 2, 2, 2. But remember, there's not going to be a white up here, because then there's no white side. The white side has to be on this side. Okay. So now what you need to do is solve the white side on the opposite. So just turn the cube over, solve the white side. That side, okay. Wait, what? Yeah, it's just supposed to solve the white side. I don't like so. Okay, so you got the white side solved. Now all you need to do is you need to have this kind, and you need to try to solve a side without messing up that, but then you can turn the corners. Boom. Just turn the corners. When you do that, if you don't have any space. Your cube possibly could break, so don't be too rough. This sounds rough, but it's not. I'm barely even hearing a sound right now. Okay. Hey. Okay. I'm just trying to show you guys that it actually works. Sometimes it might take a day if you keep on doing it. I mean, like, you'll sleep obviously, but it might take a day. But most of the times, it only takes like, I don't know, around 7-8 minutes. Oh no, not that long to solve it. I still think minutes are pretty fast for solving it. Like, solving it less than a second which is the world record, is just like, is impossible for me. So yep, there you go. It solves it. So subscribe and like, guys. Bye.